In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter in Wix. First things first, head over to wix.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to set one up. It's pretty straightforward. Once you're logged in, find and click on Create New Site. You'll be prompted to choose the type of site you're looking to make. Since news is our niche today, go for either blog or news and media. Next, you'll need to decide on the design platform. You have two options: Wix Studio, which offers more advanced design controls for those of you who like getting into the nitty-gritty, or the Wix Editor, which is more beginner-friendly. Now, it's time to pick a template that suits your site's tone, perhaps something like daily news, online magazine, or editorial blog. With your site started, you'll want to add the Wix blog to manage your articles. Head to your dashboard, click on Apps, then Add Apps. Type Wix blog into the search bar and add it to your site. This feature will serve as a full blogging system for you to publish articles, assign authors, and manage different categories. Remember, each post you publish is essentially a news article. Think of categories as sections in an actual newspaper, like politics, sports, business, or entertainment. Now let's customize the layout of your blog to tailor it to your needs. Navigate to your blog page in the editor. Look for the blog feed and click on Settings. You can choose a layout that suits your content, like a list view for a more traditional news format, or a grid view for something more magazine-like. You'll also be able to tweak the design, from adjusting fonts and spacings to deciding whether to show author names, dates, or categories. Adding thumbnail images can also really elevate the visual aspect of your blog. Creating distinct news categories is another vital step. Open the Wix Blog Manager and head over to Categories, then click Add Category. You might consider sections like breaking news, local, world, sports, lifestyle, and technology. Make sure each new post is assigned to the correct category so your readers can easily find stories of interest by topic. Now you're ready to add and publish news articles. In your dashboard, click on Blog and then Create New Post. Add a catchy, SEO-optimized headline along with relevant images or videos and the main body of your article. On the side panel, you'll want to assign the author's name, the category, and the intended publish date. Once you're satisfied, hit Publish. With the content rolling, you'll want your readers to navigate easily through your site. In the Wix editor, click on your header menu to add links to essential pages like home, news categories, about us, and contact. You can even create drop-down menus for a more organized look. Finally, let's set up subscription and newsletter options so your readers can stay updated. Once again, go to Apps, then Add Apps. Consider adding Wix Forms or Wix Email Marketing, which is part of Ascend by Wix. Create a newsletter sign-up form and link it to your email list. You can automate email updates about new articles using Wix automations. Once everything is set up, hit Publish to go live with your new site. Don't forget to share it across social media platforms like Facebook, X, and LinkedIn, and encourage readership by adding social share buttons to your articles.